5 shoes I cannot wear. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Annick, and in this channel this is where I talk about all the beautiful things that I like, aka shoes. The first type of shoe I cannot wear are plexi heels. These plexi heels are just a big no-no to me. It's because I feel like we're getting ripped off by the designers when it comes to the price of plexi heels, because the cost of making a plexi heel shouldn't be the same as making a leather heel. However, designers are charging the same price. Just look at these Annick heels. They are the same price as you were to pay a real leather Annick shoe. And to me that's a big no-no, because plexi is just a fancy way of saying plastic. And do I want to pay that price for a plastic pair of shoe? Absolutely not. The second reason is the making of the plexi heel. It's one of those heels where you sweat in them a lot. And because you sweat in them a lot, I think that they have to have some sort of holes on the side to allow you to breathe. And some of the plexi heels simply do not have that. And it's a big issue, because what's gonna happen is that you're gonna have a lot of sweat accumulating in the shoe, and that sweat is just gonna create a fog in the shoe and it's not gonna be released anywhere. So that's a big no-no to me. And the third reason is that they are typically not comfortable, because the plexi itself, it's super sharp. It doesn't really bend or become softer like a leather pair of shoes will be. It will stay stiff, and you can get a lot of cuts when you're wearing plexi heels. The second thing I simply cannot wear on my feet are flat shoes. And whenever I'm looking for inspiration and I'm seeing a girl wear a ballet flat, just like kudos to her, because that's something I simply cannot wear. And I know they come and they go, Chanel has one that's so popular, simply because I have flat feet to begin with. And because I have flat feet, I need arch support. When I wear my sneakers, I have insoles that give me a little bit more arch support. And with flat feet, whether it's a pair of sandals or ballet, it's just like my feet hurt so much. They make my feet hurt so much that I am like, this is a big no-no. Crazy thing is, I can wear a pair of heels all day and still not hurt as much as if I would wear a pair of ballet flat. Ain't that crazy? I think it's so crazy to me, but you know, my feet are what they are and I just need to deal with them the way they are. The third type of shoes I cannot wear are heels with a single strap in between the toes. You know the one I'm talking about? Bottega has some, and I'm a Bottega girl, I love Bottega. It's like, okay, I'm gonna try this. But it's like you have to moisturize in between your toes or wear like a protector before you can wear these heels, because it hurts so much. It hurts so much. First, your foot doesn't have much support, and you're in a like place where your foot just hurts and your toes just hurt. And to me, that's not worth it. I don't want to pay money to hurt. That's a big no. The fourth type of heels I simply cannot wear is, you know, those heels with a single strap in the front. To me, kudos to the girls who wear them, because I'm like, how can you wear this? Because you don't have much support. The foot is heavy, the foot has so much mass. You need something to keep the foot intact in the shoe. And these type of heels with just a barely there strap, it's like you're almost sliding, your foot is almost sliding off the heel, and it's not cute. It's not cute, and it can create so many risks, like to fall and stuff like that, and those are the risks I just don't want to take. The last type of shoes I cannot wear are shoes with chunky heels on weird angles, and these Devon mules by the Attico. They are so cute. They are so cute, but they're made just to be photographed and removed, because the way the heel is situated is such a weird angle, and this chunky heel is so heavy. When I am telling you, it's so heavy that it feels like you're dragging a stone on your foot, like you're dragging it by your ankle, and it's so uncomfortable. I've worn these shoes just to take photos. To me, like when I bought them, they look so cute on my foot, and I was like, oh, they're so cute. But then I just couldn't wear them going forward, so I'll keep them in the box. I think a better alternative would be like the Valentino platform, simply because you have enough platform in the front to balance your foot with the chunky heel, and the Versace platform as well. Those are beautiful and I don't mind wearing those. But these Deviant mules by the Attico, believe me when I say it, you won't be able to walk in them. Go return them because your foot will hurt. I've passed the return delay, so I'm just gonna keep them. They are part of my collection now, but they will be for photos only. All right? Let me know in the comment what type of heel you cannot wear, and until next time. Mwah.